Hi. So today I wanted to make a video to help you through an exercise called the earth flow. Now the earth flow, as the name would imply, is about getting energy that flows up through the earth, but the focus of that is to come up through the center of the body in an area known as the Taiji pole, which is the center of core of light, which actually flows down from your crown, flows all the way through your center and out through the perineum. It's a beautiful energy center where the Chinese believe that your soul lives, and this also embraces all of your chakras, so if you're familiar with that tradition. So the idea of that is to get the spine moving, and the spine in good flow is a sign of health and vitality. So to begin this exercise, make sure that you have a nice solid stance with your feet, about shoulder width and parallel, based about by the shoulders, we're talking about the big toe side as opposed to the little toe side. Let your hands come in front and imagine that you're holding a ball of light right in front of your navel. Bring your tongue behind the upper front teeth, close your mouth and begin to breathe in a long, slow, deep pattern in and out through the nose only. So as we hold this ball and imagine it getting more and more bright, take a nice breath in. As you exhale, separate the hands, send them out to the sides, and imagine there's a string at your tailbone pulling your hips backwards, keeping the torso nice and straight. Breathe in and push the hips forward, backs of the hands come together as we undulate up the spine until you get to the heart. Then your legs are solid, your back is straight, and you exhale from a strong heart. You take a nice big breath in and scoop energy all around you to create a protective energy bubble. Turn your palms at the hips so they face the front. Guide that energy down and ground it into the earth. Gather some energy from the earth and form it into a ball. We're going to end up lifting that beautiful ball of light, and on a long exhale, you're going to wash it down like a big bucket of water is just splashing down over you and absorbing down into your body through the cells and through your tissues. Breathe in and let your hands float up. Exhale and let your hands come back down to form the ball. Let's do that again. Breathing in as we hold the ball. Breathing out as the hips go back. The arms come out to the side. Breathe in, push the hips forward to create that little flow up the spine. Exhale from the heart, from a strong back position. Breathing in and creating a beautiful protective bubble of energy around you, and exhale as you ground it into the earth, bending as far as comfortable. And then inhale as we gather energy from the earth. Exhale, form it into a ball. Inhale, lift the ball, and on a long exhale, wash that energy down through you, all the way down to your feet. Inhale, hands float up. Exhale, they float back down as the ball reforms between your hands. Breathing in. Breathing out. Send the hands out. Hips back. Inhale, push the hips forward, sending energy up, and then out through the heart. Big breath in as we create a protective energy bubble and ground it into the earth as you exhale. Inhale, gathering energy from the earth. Exhale, form it into a ball. Inhale, lift that ball. Exhale, wash it down through you, all the way down to your feet. Inhale, hands float up. Exhale, floats back down. And then breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out as you form the ball. Breathe in, lift the ball. Exhale as you wash the chi down through you, all the way to your feet. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Breathing in as we hold the ball. Exhale, send the hips back and the heart forward. Breathing in, send the energy up. Strong back. Exhale from your heart. Breathe in and create a protective field of energy around you and ground it into the earth on the exhale. Inhale to pull up the energy of the earth and form it into a healing ball of light. Inhale, lift that ball, and on a long exhale, wash it down through you, all the way to your feet, filling your cells, your tissues, deep within your body. Inhale, hands come up. Exhale, they come back down. And hold that ball. Close by placing your hands at the navel, allowing that energy to settle into your Danchen, your lower energy reservoir, and lock it in with 3 rotations in each direction. It's a great exercise to kind of build energy. Feel free to do that. We only did it 5 times, but feel free to do that up to 9 or even 18 times as a great way to get qi flowing throughout the day. Have a great day.